Hi, welcome to Simply Scuba. The SEAC KS10 Sidemount harness is a more advanced but nice and small side mount harness for all your side mount needs. Let's take a closer look at all of its individual features. The SEAC KS10 uses a single 2-inch webbing shoulder strap, which has all the adjustment up here in the shoulders, and each end is actually covered up by this neoprene protective strap. Just gives it a little extra comfort around the neck and the shoulders as well whilst you're diving in it. This 2-inch harness, you can unthread it all, you can add extra D-rings or you can take extras off, depending on how you want to dive. But they do come with 2 pre-bent D-rings over each shoulder strap, which connect to the chest strap assembly. So the chest strap just keeps those shoulder straps in, especially when you're attaching your stages onto here. Can tend to pull that shoulder strap off your shoulder, but this chest strap will just hold it nice and in position. You can move these up and down, of course, just to make it more comfortable, depending on where you like that chest strap. These D-rings, they also house, or they can also be used to clip on your low pressure inflator. So the low pressure inflator hose leads down to your kidney dump, and you can take this off, move it to the far side, onto the right hand side, or you can have it as a shoulder mounted onto the blanking plate on the back, which I'll show you in a little bit. Now the back plate itself is nice and flexible, nice and comfortable, and this covers up, underneath here you have trim weight pockets, and you also have a zippered pocket at the top for even more trim weight. And weight up here across your shoulder blades is going to give you a nice horizontal trim in the water whilst you're using side mount. This section here, this elastic bungee, you wrap this around your cylinder handle, and this just holds the cylinder nice and close into your body, gives you a nice position, and keeps your stages nice and close to you. Down towards the bottom, you have a single piece waist strap, and this can be adjusted depending on sort of how big you are. And this threads through to a removable D-ring. Now you don't have to unthread it all just to remove this. It does have a screw thread, so you can remove this D-ring or you can add extras if you want. It comes with a pre-bent 90-degree D-ring that comes out of this 2-inch webbing, but you can add more or adjust them, just move them backwards and forwards depending on how you want them positioned. The waist strap itself uses a very standard quick release metal buckle, and also has an adjustable crotch strap which has another pre-bent D-ring that's fixed into there. We have a look at the back of the BCD. So the back of this is covered in SEAC's Ironman fabric, which is a vulcanized rubberized material, and this is very abrasion resistant. So all of this is going to protect from the usual wear and tear. Also, if you're diving in and out of caves or wrecks, it's going to protect that internal bladder from ripping and tearing. So this is the blanking plate, which you can move your low pressure inflator to if you rather it come over your shoulder. And at the bottom of the BCD, you have a nice tidy little butt plate, which does have these rails, pre-bent rails that come out at 90 degrees just to clip off the bottom of your stages. You also have added places so that you can mount your canister light or mount D-rings and clip off your reels or anything that you need. And that's the SEAC KS10 side mount harness. Thanks for watching.